Hey, it's Allie with Larry Hudson Chev, and today we're going to show you how to use GM Active Parking Assist, which is a hands-free parking tool on this 2024 GMC Terrain Denali. First, put the vehicle in drive, and then select Active Parking Assist. Then there will be two parking types. You can select parallel or perpendicular. We're going to do a perpendicular part, and then select which side of the vehicle you're going to. Then start driving, and it will detect when an open space is available. The screen will go green when it finds a spot. So it found a space, and it will tell you when to stop. It wants me to stop and shift to reverse, and then the steering wheel will do all the work. You just have to control the brake. And it will tell you to go forward, and it will adjust the steering wheel, and then it will tell you to stop and put it back in reverse, and back up slowly. And then you just put it in park. And that's how you use GM Active Parking Assist.